In this video, we are going to see how we can indent specific paragraphs in Google Docs. So let's say that we want to center align this paragraph or left align or right align. Here's how you can easily do it. So first of all, let's say that you want to indent this paragraph a little bit towards right, as you have seen in many books. So all you have to do is just go to the starting and make sure the cursor is flashing like this at the start and press tab, and it will indent this a little bit towards right. But also if you want to do it from the formatting options on the menu, you can just click on format and go to the align and indent, and you can left indent, you can right indent like this, or you can center align like this. Also, if you want to do the indentation for a complete paragraph, just hold the complete paragraph and you can align it towards the center, you can align it towards the right, or you can align it towards justified. That means equal from both sides. Also, if you want to set indentation altogether, you can just select the paragraphs and use all of these options from here as well. So let's say if you want to just increase the indent for the first paragraph a little bit towards right, so what you can do is just align and increase the indent towards right, and that's how you can set the indentation for just the first paragraph. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.